Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to present the topic Specification and Certificate of Analysis. Those are the important quality documents used in the pharmaceutical industry to ensure that the material and product meet the required standards. So, a specification is a document that defines the quality requirement and acceptance criteria for a product. A certificate of analysis or COA is a document that containing the actual test result of a specific batch so that confirm whether it meets the required specification or not. So, coming to the purpose of the specification, the main purpose of specification to establish a quality standard for pharmaceutical product. They help to ensure the product safety, efficacy as well as a regulatory compliance. The specification also provide a basic quality control test and batch acceptance. Coming to the scope of specification, they should be included for raw material, packaging material, product container and closure system, in process as well as bulk product and finished products. For raw material and packaging material, they should include name and internal code, pharmacopoeial monograph, qualitative and quantitative requirement with acceptance limits, name and address of manufacturer or supplier, specimen for the printed material, direction of sampling as well as testing, and storage condition and maximum period of storage before retesting. For product container and closures. So they should comply with pharmacopoeial requirements. The validated specification and procedure should strictly follow to avoid any effect on quality of the product. For in-process and bulk product, an approved specification must be available. For finished product, that the specification should be included product name and code, formula and pharmacopoeial reference, sampling and testing instruction, dosage form and packaging detail, quality requirement and acceptance limits, storage condition as well as shelf life. The requirement for container and closure, the Schedule X still has what the machinery, equipment and workplace are needed. So the manufacturer prepares a specification. This helps to keep the machine safe and good for quality. This table explains how long the different documents should be kept and who is responsible for them. The COA should be approved by an appropriate representative from the testing site. It includes the vendor or supplier information, product information included the name and strength, result for the specific batch, and reference method and specification documents, and approval and date and expiry date or a retest information. The information need for COA, name and unique batch number, manufacturer, manufacturing date, retest date, expiry date, transportation instruction, storage condition, reference substance, note on calculation of the content, special remarks on handling requirement, all the required test with the specifications and results. Electronic Certificate of Analysis, which is nothing but ECOA. It is a COA created using a computer system. Only the authorized people can access and edit the data. If any changes are automatically recorded. Therefore, ECOA or secure, reliable and acceptable in the pharmaceutical industry. So these are the reference used for this presentation. They are reliable source that help me to prepare the content. Thank you for the listening. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. If you have any question, please feel free to ask.